This is a 2004 Jetta with a 1.8 turbo. We bought it about 8 months ago. And about a month ago, it started, when you first start it up when it's cold, it makes a odd noise. Sounds like an exhaust leak. That lasts for about a minute, and usually at about the time the RPMs drop down, that noise goes away. Just wondering if anyone has any ideas. First car I've ever owned with a turbo, so here goes. Yeah, exhaust sounds loud. There, RPMs drop, whistling sound goes away, and the exhaust leakage type sound goes away. If anyone has any ideas, please let me know.